It's me, your girl InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel. So for today, guys, it's September 8th. So we are going to check out na. So we are waiting for our turn na bumaba dun sa lobby. Tapos meron mga some explanation doon magaganap. So kinuha na yung aming luggage for ibababa mo yung luggage para hindi sabog-sabog ba. So ayan na, we are waiting. So Jack's sister will get us here doon sa labas, kasi paglabas mo dito kailangan direct ka nang papasok sa transpo mo. So ayun nga guys, mamaya ulit, okay? Hey guys! Hello, Jocks. So we're done what we did?
AstraZeneca vaccine.
Yeah, we did the vaccine for today. Our first dose.
Sorry, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay guys, so hindi ko na kayo na-update. Nung lumabas kami ng hotel, so they knock our door around before 8. So they said that on our first knock on the door, they will get our luggage first, and then they will bring our luggage at the lobby. So the second knock, they said that that's the one, 5 minutes to be ready before we get out of the room. So we wait kasi nga madami kami guys dun sa floor na yon. May dalawa pa yata na rooms na ano doon na nag-quarantine din. So hindi kami pwede sabog-sabog. So hindi na ako nakapag-feel. Madali lang naman paglabas namin. So when our turn, they knock the last time and then they said that be ready and we will go down to the second floor, I think. I forgot which floor. Pero dun kami binigyan namin yung end of notice namin, the detention notice doon sa personnel. Tapos dinrop namin yung key dun sa other side naman, which in the same floor. And the last, we go to the ground floor and then we wait for Jack's sister because Jack's sister will get us dun sa hotel. And yun na nga, hindi na ako nakapag kasi sobrang dami namin nadala guys, as in. Tapos we have 4 luggage with us and then lot of small bags. So ayun na nga. So nung dumating kami sa bahay, mga past 10 I guess. And pagkatapos nun guys, 2 o'clock we have an appointment for our first jobs, which are first dose of vaccine. So, meron kaming appointment. So, paglabas namin ng quarantine hotel, that day is the same day also, but different time, na kumuha kami ng aming jobs, the vaccine guys. So, it's very easy lang, basta appointment. And yung pagpasok mo, ayun na. Tapos you have on the waiting area, they will ask you, they will get your card. If you have a Medicare card, it's very important. It's a card for the healthcare dito sa Australia. Yung card na yon, all-in-one na yun guys. Kahit saan ka, I mean, kapag na hospital ka or may illness ka, isang card na lang yung hinahanap na gano'n. So, after nun guys, we are proceed to the other waiting area, which will turn to wait for the person to call our name to collect you. And then another one is there's a small space there. There's a practitioner or someone who will do the procedure, which is the vaccine, and they will or she will ask you some of the questions if you're allergy or something or different of on the vaccine. And then we had the AstraZeneca guys, our vaccine, so our first dose. The available that time is AstraZeneca in our area, but the other one they had a Pfizer, but it's very fully booked na. So wala kaming choice, pero okay lang din. AstraZeneca is a good vaccine also. So they gave us a paper like this. So ayan guys. So after your COVID-19 vaccine AstraZeneca guys, so they give you this one. They have about the vaccine, what's to expect after the vaccination, the common side effect, the last common side effects guys. Tapos yung practitioner na magbibigay naman yon, the person who will administer to you, he or she will explain to you what he or she will ask some questions in the questionnaire, and then the rare side effects of the COVID vaccine AstraZeneca. So there's a usual seek medical attention after vaccination if you have something like that, you feel something like this, so on and so forth. And vaccine safety monitor procedure side effects. So the next appointment is, I guess, after, I think the next one is about, so the second appointment guys is about 12 weeks from now. So ayo, paglabas namin, we had we have a vaccine na, and madali lang. Tapos that day also okay lang then. After she will give us the vaccine, she asked us to go to the post vaccination, which you will be sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then someone will call you, and if you're okay, you can leave na the building like that, and they will give you a lolly or a water, so because you vaccinated already. may ganong stuff. So, mabilis lang yung procedure kasi they're targeting their vaccination to be fully get the first dose maybe at the end of the month or the first week of October. And talagang minamadali nila mag-vaccine lahat ng tao na nandito because they believe kasi kung fully vaccinate ka, hindi ka prone o hindi ka yung COVID nga, hindi ka makakuha ng ganun. Kasi nga, ano ka na immune ka na dun sa vaccine. Hindi, kahit anong vaccine yan. Pero, kasi dito, ang vaccine is AstraZeneca and Pfizer. Yun ang vaccine dito sa Australia. So, after that, guys, naganpak ako. Wala namang ganap. Yung ganap lang dun yung sunlight, yung ganyan. So, after nga na nasa hotel kami, all the people who at the lobby while we are waiting, they said enjoy the sunlight like that. And yun nga, yun ang first sunlight namin from outside world sa bahay ni quarantine. And we are happy, guys, kasi nga pero hindi pa rin tapos yung guys kasi after 3 days, we will go to a swab test again kasi nga galing kami sa quarantine and we should know that kasi every person who been in a quarantine, they need to get a swab test after 3 days or the 18, 17 days, and after that, the 21 day, we will have another swab test again. So, ngayon kasi we're still in the lockdown so we don't need to go outside. So hindi pa ang mga open lang at the moment is the playground, the mall, of course, the grocery, but that's the essential one, the supermarket, pero yung mga other stuff na inside sa mall ay hindi pa open. So the essential only is the one who are open. So, ayun na nga guys, I will update you spring. Here dito, medyo malamig pa siya. And that's the end of our video for today. And we are finally free from our hotel quarantine. I hope you enjoy watching and you learned something today. Thank you very much for watching and mega love shoutout to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video, and please comment down below if you like this video pa, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Ciao!